afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Miss.
So today we are going to be looking at seeds growing into plants. And what is the name we give to that process?
Germination.
Good. So before we get into it, let's look at this video and then we'll discuss.
Ah. Now let the magic of germination do its wonder. It's germination.
Air, some person nutrients, moisture. Some plants can grow without soil, right? Yes, some of them we can just place in water and they are going to grow.
Hydroponics.
Yes, hydroponics. I have a little activity here. Before I explain the stages of germination, yes, it was mentioned in the video, but I would like to see how many of you would have learned something. So I have some cutouts here. I'm going to give it to you, and you have to place them in the right stage. I'm going to go around. If it's that you have something that next you don't have, you need to switch. You should have 4 groups. So I should have, yeah. If it's that you don't have something, find out from your partner, from a next group, and switch out. Each person. Each group rather, you should have 5 stages. Some group have more. Yes, you need to pass it on to the next group.
Anybody get this?
The papers are mixed up, so you need to work to set it. And let's try to work with time. Let's do the fastest to identify the stages. Please number it as well, and if possible, label the parts. Then some persons get double something too. You have 5 papers. 1, 2, 3.
Anybody get the extra bit?
So I noticed one group is finished.
Anybody get the extra bit? Anybody have to get this? Y'all get the stars. No, they get the extra. Anybody have the
You
extra?
sure? Look at it carefully.
Anybody have the extra?
You can move around, you know. Some groups ain't paying attention, but they have extra things.
I'm paying
Y'all
attention.
missing some things too.
Miss, we missing something too. Miss, can you say what?
Complete.
A period.
Complete. Look here. You should have 5. Let me see how you identify them from stages 1 to 5. Sure nothing is missing between here?
The seed. The seed is missing.
Go around and see somebody. Yes, anything that height now? Right?
Anybody did this?
No. Everything is there.
This is a seat for this button. Why are you trying to fly away? You need to stay in your lane.
Finisher?
Yes.
Answers. Good. So while the group is working, any group would like to describe the stages? Yes.
First, you have the seed, bursting, and the root coming down. And then secondly, you have the seed, the root start growing more into the soil, and we have the seed going coming out. And then the last, the third thing is the roots fully develop well. Further developing into the ground to ground the plant before it starts growing properly. And we see the seed coat still coming out. And then we have this is the roots fully grounded and the new plant, the seed shoots out to the side and the new plant starts to grow. And finally we have the plant.
Okay. Any other group want to try? Thank you. Any other group? Good. So, the first stage, we have the seed. The seed, we need to make sure that it has water. When it absorbs that water, the first part that's going to grow, what we are referring to as the root, is called the radicle. So the radicle will be the first part to emerge. Why do you think the radicle is the first part to emerge?
Because the plant, when the plant grows, it needs to be stable.
It needs to be stable. Another important reason why the radicle emerges first.
And the plant needs food.
Good. Remember now, the root is the part of the plant that absorbs water. So that's why that's the first part that's going to emerge. And as it grows, then we're going to notice the seed coat is going to come off. And then we're going to have what you're calling the leaf. And that part is called what? It's a P word. No.
Petiole.
No. What is that? Plumule. So, the part that you're calling root is a radicle, and the part that you're going to be seeing part that you call the leaf, that's the plumule. So, after that, what will emerge, and the plant continues to grow, the seed coat will eventually fall off, and then you're going to notice new leaves. And as it grows and grows, you're going to get the new plant. Germination is simple as that. Once the plant has adequate water, sunlight at the right temperature, it has moisture, it's going to germinate. Any question? Any question? Have you ever heard of types of germination? Do you know the types of germination?
Underground and above ground germination.
We have the underground germination and above ground germination. So there are two types. Do you know the names? Epigeial and hypogeial. Which one is above ground? Which one is below?
Epigeial is above and the hypogeial is below.
Correct. What was below, the antiplant or just cotyledon? The cotyledon. Good. So everyone understands what is germination. You are able to identify the stages based on the pictures. Now you're going to tell me, let me see. I'm going to point you out. Are you raising hand? 3 things you would have learned. 2 conditions needed for germination, and then 1 question you still have. 3 things you learned. Anyone?
If I learn how to read, it's called female and the book is called animal.
Okay. So we have the 3 things that you learned. Next person. 2 conditions needed for germination. Temperature and yes.
Temperature and sunlight.
Temperature, moisture. And what question you still have?